Today we'll be showing you how to make chicken kebab. So you'll have to put 2 spoons of kebab powder. You'll have to put chili powder half spoon. You'll have to put turmeric kal spoon, and then black pepper kal spoon. You'll have to put chicken masala half spoon. Then you'll have to put kal spoon of salt. Then mix it properly. Then after you mix it, you'll have to wait for half an hour. So you'll have to put the oil, wait for some time. Then you'll have to put the kebab pieces. Wait for it for some time to boil. So keep it for some 2 to 3 minutes. So that's it, guys. How to make kebab. So guys, if you like this video, please do it a thumbs up and share.